Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is basically another problem of projection of plane where I have changed the regular hexagon into a pentagon, right? Of 100 mm side, further its corner in HP means left hand side will be a corner, whereas its surface or plane incline at 45 degrees to HP draw the projection. So similarly we will follow the same steps. Select basically, click on snap, okay, select one XY reference line, okay, go and give the naming, text, select any point on the screen, okay, specify height 0.2, rotation angle is 0, right? So this is basically X and this is basically Y, right? This is my VP. In VP I always draw front view. This is my HP. HP I always draw top view. This is my name, Dr. Sangharatna R, right? GHRCE Nagpur, right? Then press escape. Now I am going to draw a pentagon, right, of 100 mm side. So go and selecting pentagon or polygon from the toolbar. So I am going to select polygon, right? Again you have to enter the number of sides. So in pentagon there are 5 sides, so I am selecting 5. Then press enter, press below tab on the keyboard, right, and select edge, press enter. Then he will ask us for the first point of the pentagon. So I am selecting any point on the screen, okay. So now you can check. So similarly if you are drawing like this it will be wrong, right? So rotate in the clockwise directions, okay, and select one AutoCAD unit, right? So how much dimensions will be? One AutoCAD unit, okay. So if it is not, so you can check. Now this is basically 0.75, okay. So I'm expecting pressing Ctrl Z, okay, selecting pentagon again, okay, number of sides will be 5, okay, and press below button on the keyboard, then selecting endpoint, okay. So why I'm doing so? Because my plane was very near to XY, right? So I'm selecting any point here, so rotating in the clockwise directions, okay. So not happening, okay, no issues. So now you can check. This is my one AutoCAD unit, that is 100 mm side, and the angle is less than 90 degree. So this is my pentagon plane, okay. So for the checking you can check the dimensions, select align here, okay, select this particular point, this particular one AutoCAD unit. Again you can check the dimensions. This is 1 and this is 1. So this is my pentagon of one AutoCAD unit, that is 100 mm side, okay, converted into cyan color. So immediately I'm going to give the naming, text, okay, select any point on the screen, 0.2, rotation angle is 0, right? So this is my point A, this will be my point B, this is my point C, this is my point D, and this is my point E. So this is basically my true shape, okay. So now immediately what I'm going to do is corner in HP means my projections will be on, or plane will be on the XY line, okay. So I'm going to select the projectors, okay. So this is my first projector, press escape, from point B and E. This is my second projector, press escape, selecting line again from this particular point. This is my projector, third projector. So now I'm going to select the point here, okay, first point, second point, and third point, okay, and this is my true lane. So now I'm going to give the naming, text, okay, selecting any point, okay, or press escape, okay, Ctrl Z, okay. Now text, selecting any point on the screen, specify height is 0.2, rotation angle is 0, right? So this is my basically A dash, this will be my B dash, E dash, this is my basically C dash, D dash, okay, and this is my true length, okay. Now this particular true length I have to, but before that I need to measure the dimensions here, okay. So this is 1.53. again go and selecting align in the dimension. This is my second point. This will be very helpful, right? Because why it is helpful, why it will be helpful, right? Because you need to incline it, okay. I am selecting the projection lines into cyan color, okay. So snap, okay, dimensions and projection line to cyan colors, okay. Now I am selecting any point on the XY line, okay. Let us say here, okay, click on snap, okay. So let us say this is my point, okay. So from this particular, this is my A dash and B, sorry, this point is my A dash, okay. So from this particular point I need to draw right, and click on ortho. I need to draw the line which is inclined at 45 degree, and the length will be 1.5347, 1.5347, and the tab is 45 degree. Okay, so this is my another point. So unclick on snap. Okay, so this is my another point. Okay, click. So I am converting this particular line into red color. Okay, sorry, red color. Okay, now I am going to mark this B dash E dash from this A dash. So I am going to select line. Okay, and how much dimensions? 0.5836. Okay, so 0.5836. Press tab. Rotation angle is 45. Okay, then press escape. So this is basically my, you can check, this is basically my another point. Okay, now pressing escape, converting into bilayers white. Okay, so this comes from the practice, dear students. I will be little bit fast, but this comes with the practice. Okay, now I am going to give the naming, the text, select any point on the screen. Okay, point 2, rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this will be my A dash, sorry, A dash. This particular point is my B dash, E dash, and this particular point is my C dash, D dash. Okay, and this is my true length inclination. Okay, and the angle is basically, press escape, dimensions, select angular. Okay, select this line, you can check, this is basically 45 degree converted into cyan color. So from these particular points, now I need to draw perpendicular projectors. Okay, so this is my first projector. Select on ortho command. Okay, press escape, select here, this is my second projectors, press escape, this will be my third projectors from this particular point, right? So this is my third projector. Okay, now I am going to draw another projector. Okay, horizontal projectors. Okay, this is my another projectors from particular point D. I need to draw another projectors. Okay, from point C I need to draw another projectors. Okay, and point B. Okay, I need to draw another projectors. Okay, convert this projection line into cyan color immediately. Okay, press escape. Okay, now I need to mark the points here. Okay, so this is my A line. Okay, and this is my particular point A, this is my B and E. So this is my point E, this will be my point B, this will be my point C, and this will be my point D, and this will be okay. So this is okay, right? Now I am going to join these particular points by a line. Okay, so unclick on ortho, right? So immediately it will snap. This is my second point, this is my third point, and this is basically my top view. Okay, go on selecting the text. Okay, select any point on the screen, point 2, and rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this will be my A1, this is my E1, this will be my D1, this is my C1, and this particular point is my B1, and this is my top view, right? Press escape. So dear student, this is basically the solution for this particular kind of problem statement, and I need to convert this particular true shape, true length inclination, and top view will be in white color. Okay, so now I am pressing Z enter, A enter. Okay, so this is basically the solution for this particular kind of problem statement. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.